Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk sleep, and it's challenging for me to talk about this. I'm going to say that right off the bat because for decades I wasn't getting enough sleep. I don't like to use the terms that are out there because I think they're triggering. And I'll just say that I was sleep deprived for most of my 40s, a good portion of my 30s. Stems from a lot of things in my background, but especially with menopause, my sleep suffered. And I want to talk about it with you today because I know it's so important and that many women, especially perimenopausal, menopausal, are experiencing sleep deprivation, not getting enough sleep, not getting good quality sleep. And coming on and talking about products is not easy for me, but these two products changed my sleep life. And I think you need to know about them, and I think you should invest in them. The first one is Fatty 15. I started it last year around February. And before I was taking Fatty 15, I was getting better sleep from some of my lifestyle changes, mostly fascia flow. But I still felt a lot of my sleep was light, like I was hovering and not getting deep sleep. So I could be in bed asleep for 8, 9, even hours, but felt like I was getting 4 or 5. So maybe that resonates. Fatty 15, after a couple of months on Fatty 15, my sleep got deep, restorative, just felt so blissful, delicious. So it's a 1 pill a day supplement. They now have gummies, which I haven't tried and I'm almost out, and really easy to take. And it's just like the best supplement that I have in my life. The next is the Apollo Neuro. Now, I started Apollo a couple of months after Fatty 15. And what I've noticed with the Apollo is I'm now sleeping longer and getting to sleep more quickly. But it offers other benefits because it works with your nervous system. So you can work with all the different vibes that they have for things like focus, for creativity, for recovery, for meditation, for mindfulness, for energy. There's all these different vibes. And I use it all through the day. I put it on my ankle. It looks like this. I use it all through the day for different activities that I'm doing. And the more I use it, the more effective it is at night. I didn't notice right away benefits with the Apollo. And I noticed that it was a little bit of a climb. But after about 5 months or so, wow, big benefits with using the Apollo, getting longer sleep and getting to sleep more quickly. Now, of course, the Apollo works for other things in your life, as I mentioned, so you can use it just for mood and nervous system regulation. But if you want to really do something that's going to benefit your sleep, then I highly recommend both of these products. And you will get discounts, of course, because I'm working with these companies to share their information. And I only work with companies that I love and use myself. Okay. That's my non-negotiable. And these are both ones I don't do without. So link through, there's an extra special discount right now for Apollo. So link on through and get that. And I want to hear in the comments what you would like, what's your experience, and what you would like to have in your sleep routine. Do you need deeper sleep? Do you need more sleep? Do you feel like there's no hope? Because I'm telling you, there is hope. Okay, so comment below. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, please hit like and subscribe. And let's have a chat in the comments. I'm happy to answer any other questions, okay? And you can email me as well, and I will share more about my story with you. I'm happy to do that. Okay, thank you for watching.